अहानबद मरुइब पाउ स्टील एंड हेवी इंडस्ट्रीज के MOS बुबत्ती राजू श्रीनिवासा बर्मा नोनी द थुंख्रे ख्वाइदगी वांगबा रेलवे की थोंगी फिबम सुयेंचिनख्रे इंडिया की अहानबा ऑटोमेटेड सी पोर्ट ओइरिबा तिरुवनंतपुरम द लेबा विजनजम इंटरनेशनल सी पोर्ट इंडिया की ट्रांसशिपमेंट तौबदा अतोप लेबा की पोर्ट की मतिंग लौबा हंथानबा ngamnagani हाइरि अमदी मणिपुर लेंगा के एजुकेशन एज नसिंद्र निमिनी चुकना पांगथोकदबा स्टेट लेवल नेशनल साइंस डे 2026 ngasi सिटी कन्वेंशन सेंटर दा होखरे खरमचरी ISTB bu meeting tabiriba pumnamu putaram nokchari hauju pau sandokna pisari ngarang imphal da thunglakiba steel and heavy industries ki minister of state Bhuwati Raju Srinivasa Burma ngasi ayuk None district headquarter da leiba Longmai common ground da thungkhre mafamada DC None Vidyamari Sridhar SP None Namsadai Peter Pamay madi local gi luchingba khyana harautyam okre None gi primary health center da pangtokpa thorom da Minister of State Bhuwati Raju Srinivasa Burma na beneficiary sing da Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana gi health card sing yenthokre
Honorable Minister will be handing out the
Steel and Heavy Industries ki Minister of State Bhuwati Raju Srinivasa Burma na malemda khwaidagi wangbani haidiba Railway braids ki fibam suyengshin ki makatana awang khulda chatuna railway station suyengshin ka tawri khongchara dura DC None Vidyamari Sridhar SP None Namsadai Peter Pamay amadi atay official kya su sarugya ki India ki ahanba automated seaport oiriba Thiruvananthapuram da leiba Vizinjam International Seaport na India ki transshipment tawda atopa leiba ki port ki mating loba hanthan mangamlagani hari Adani Port sairaga su khangnaba port asi Kerala government ki makhada Public Private Partnership Model da Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited na chalaibani port asigi commercial operation tawba chahi ama mapung fakhiba galoina port asi malemda masak naiba port ama oiba ngamkhre port asida automated crane operator oina thabak tawba singi manungda nupi kyama su thabak tawduna maritime operation da chap chaba thawtang lori port asina thabak tawba da hena khumang chawshin na tawba ngamnaba India na sajaba advanced vehicle traffic management system so port asida chathari PIB Imphal na sinba press tour program gi manung chana Manipur gi media team na port asida hakthing na chatna yengsin ki port asina paikhali ba thabak thoram sing amadi port asina thamliba pandam sing gi matang da so port asigi CEO Pradeep Jayaraman na media sing da flogdom ki thoram aduga mari leina na CEO asina phongdorakpada malem gi sea port khudingmak port asiga samladuna lepa leitana thabak tawri port asi commercial operation tawri basigi mathakta passenger service to haunaba cruise ship thamnaba pandam thamle masigi damak mathau taba thabak khudimak sem saba hore haina phongdorakhi loina na port asi national harbor oibana maram oiraga leba asigi atop port sing dagi advantage kya lei port asi east amasung west ki shipping corridor ga naknaba maramna economic activity da khudong chaba amasu oiri haina phongdorakhi Manipur lenga ki Department of Education as Sindra Nimini chupna pangthokadaba state level National Science Day 2026 ngasi Palace Compound leba City Convention Hall da hodokre Women in Science Catalyzing Viksit Bharat haiba theme da pangthokadaba National Science Day hodokpagi thoramadu Department of Physics Indian Institute of Science Bangalore ki physics ki former coordinator physics Dr. K.S. Jogeshwar amadi additional director of education as Hills ki Dangmai Manglem na chingbasu sarukya ki amadi tongan ba district taraga mathoi digi lakpa class 9 digi 12 fawbu ki manung da leiba school sing digi lakpa mahiroi sing ki written science quiz competition amasu pangtokhi Tharangamari Lenina Department of Physics Indian Institute of Science Bangalore ki physics ki former coordinator Dr. K.S. Jogeshwar na haikibada class 10 amadi 12 level fawbu exam sing da nupi singna makok thongduna talakli adubu science ki lamda chada kunthraga hundoi khaktamak nupi singna mafam kanba ngamli amadi nupa singna chada humfuga taret mafam kanduna leiriba ahoba si mensinna ba nupi singna ahinba miteng thamduna science subject pu India lengakna nupi singda chawkhatnaba hotnari loinana ngalingai matamdagi science ki lamda khong thangjinba ngamnaba asiguma thoramasi pangtokpani science yaudana chawkhatbagi lambida khong thangjinba haibasi awab oigani maram aduna ngalingai matamdagi mahairoi singda science haihenba hotnaba tangai fadi hainasu phongdokhi
Kamala Sohini si Indian Institute of Science da PhD oina qualified or PhD sangi haiba matamda masi reject togi nupi matanda hanba sangi reject to wuji kaigona ma lagadi nupa gi leramba khoi satra makhai da environment restrict tawni aduna masi sangagadi akoda sorekani haiba gi masi sebiram na matuna director oi ma sanghan gi adu mana andolan haigadra matumda khoi satyagrah andolan tor director gi office ki ma phamba adwana torpo da gi masi ona thangda sebiram mangi first woman student wena akoi select togi adwana Department of Science and Technology dagi mogi program ama nupi khaktagi ba program ka hapiraga nupi moisi kramana promote tongni science kramana promote tongni karamna nation da moina contribute tongni habado asigi matang da togodo program ni
Government employee khaktana tana mipum khudimak National Pension Scheme gi khudong chaba loba yare haina Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority PFRDA gi Assistant General Manager Ruvi Vinayak Bausagarna ngasi Indian Chamber of Commerce ICC amadi Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority PFRDA Government of India na punna sindra National Pension Scheme NPS ki matangda awareness cum interaction program ma classic hotel pangthoki ba thoram da haikrai thoram adu ICC gi General Secretary Bikin Razid Akoijam PFRDA gi Assistant General Manager Ruvi Vinayak Bausagar Trade, Commerce and Industries Government of Manipur ki Director Rangnamai Rang Peter PFRDA ki Manager Nisanta Anand Government Department Singh Amadi Industry Association ki Mihut Singh Amadi Financial Practitioners Singh ki Sarukyaki NPS Awareness Program asi Retirement Planning Amadi Long Term Social Security Solution ki matangda Awareness pinaba pandam da pangthokpani amadi Manipur ki NGO MSME Startup Self-Help Group Public Sector Undertaking amadi Government body sing the meeting thamki tharama sigamari leinana Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority PFRDA ki Assistant General Manager Ruvi Vinayak Bausagarna phongdorakpada India da pension ki khudong chabasi government employee khakta da phanglami adubu soklisingani supna mapandagi di private sector employee corporate employee farmer trader self employee amadi mipum khodimakta NPS retire scheme ki khudong chab phongpa yare Sarkar ki thabak tawrambadi ki entrepreneur oirakpa natraga startup ama haudoklabasu NPS adumak lengdana leiba yai haiki Atal Pension Yojana asiso unorganized sector amada leita laira subscribers in the yamna kanaba piba scheme amani mahakna makhatana multiple scheme framework MSF Swasthya Pension Scheme gumba NPS singdagi investment tawbagi mawng pension fund kanba amadi corpus ki matangda decision pumba subscriber masana lepchabagi khudong chaba leire haiki
So all citizens of this country can now have an NPS. So NPS is a retirement, essentially it is a retirement savings scheme and it is a very good product. It is low cost, it is portable, meaning today you are into a government job, tomorrow you want to shift to a private job, or say you are in a private job and tomorrow you want to become a entrepreneur, you want to have a startup. So NPS remains with you all the time. It is flexible in a way that you are the one who makes a choice as to which pension fund you want, and you can always take a call with respect to the investment decisions with regard to the NPS.
National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology NELIT akampana sinduna February ki kungahumdoi diki chatharakiba Cybrela Youth Tech Festival 2026 ngasi NELIT akampat loshinkre loshinbaki tharamadu Provost Bhavina Diagnostic Center ki General Manager Somo Chandra madi National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology ki Academic Head Dr. Angom Bobo na Chief Guest amadi President oina sarukyaki tungan ba North East ki Mahiroi Singsu Sarkyakiba Cybrela Youth Tech Festival as tungan ba events ahum technical event sports event madi non technical event da athui hen tanaki amadi makong mathang taraba singda gas prize amadi certificate su khusinaki tharamasiga mari lainana NELIT akampat ke academic head Dr. Angom Bobona Mahiroi singna lairik khak pabana tana sports amadi anoba lakliba technology singasi matau karamna khangadage e-sports da thawai yawnam amadi professional stage sa purakpa yanaba academic activities ki saruk ama oina pangthokpani haiki
स्कूल कॉलेजेस की सानरोई मैमसु अखोई टेक फेसिदा यावबा लाई अखोइना हनक सिलिबसे ई स्पोर्ट्स से सिदैसिदा खरा हेन एम्फासिस तौरे अखोई इरमदमदा लेबा अफावा ई स्पोर्ट्स ता सकनाइरबा मी मैमसु अखोइना कौरगा मोई मोटिवेट तौनबगीसु अखोइना सात्रसिंगसिदा पाउजेन पिजरी अखोई लाइक पाबा खत नतना स्पोर्ट्स तसु अदुगा टेक्नोलॉजी दसु अनोनोबा इमर्जिंग लाइबा एआई खंगदे ड्रोन खंगदे सिदैसिदा अखोइना सिजनरगा Hackathon by kamaina problem de kamaina solve tawdege solution spin and atotopa entertainment gi program chu adum hapaga sinjabani sigi cyberla se
Specialist Abel Maherey Singi Lejariba talent sing uthokuna miyam da hina sakhang hanabagi panam the New Hope Life Foundation for Disability na sinduna changangai uchekon community hall the dance competition ama pangthokre tongan ba disability school singi Maherey kuntra ga mangana sarukyaduna pangthokiba tharamadura Suraisham Devala agriculture officer DAO Lamphilpat New Hope Life Foundation for Disabilities ki vice president Santa Takhilambam India Wellness Private Limited Northeast promoter of innovative dreamers Neha Sharma Memcha New Hope Foundation for Disabilities ki advisor Kunjakiswar Oinam Sundari Kangabam Northeast promoter of innovative dreamers India Wellness Private Limited ki David Singhana Chingbana Tharamasi chief guest of honor madi president oina sarukyaki Tharamasi mari lenana New Hope Foundation for Disabilities ki treasurer Chingangbam Asana Haikibada differently able Maherey Sing Lejariba talent sing asi miyam mangda puthokuna hena masakhang hanabagi pandamda jagoi ki competition asi pangthokpani ngasi ki competition dance competition asi gi makong mathang taraba Maherey singda manamathum su yenthokhi ahan batabada lupa lising ahum ani suba tabada lupa lising ani ga chonga amadi ahum subada lising ani amadi ngasi competition asi sar gyariba participant khodimakta lupa lising ama pigani haiki
ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟꯗꯨ ꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯍꯟꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯃꯟꯗꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯎꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ
Chandrakhongdagi Thobal Khetrekai Fawbagi Manungda Leiriba Club Organization Amadi Association Taragani Pana Pullaga Semba Nongpok Sayang Apun Baluk Nasalna Nongpok Ningthau Tata Dimper Honor Association Kutsunabduna Ngasidagi Kasong Kulen Road Haina Kangnariba MN06 CW2 Thobal 2 Kasong Kulen Highway Sigi Thobal Khetrekai Digi Yaripok Khoirom Fawbagi Lambi gi Saruk Sing Pothole Sing Menduna Simsen Phawkre Highway Sna Fawduna Chaliba Yaripok Thildagi Pothole Menbagi Thaba Adu Hauraduna Nasalgi President Ananda Laishram na Phongdorpada Nasalgi Thomi Sing na Hariba Lambi gi Mafam Gyada Lediba Akaya Toy Sing asi Semjin Jana Bachahi Kharaki Mamangdagi Khanaduna Lakpani Adubo Maikai Som the Lediba Nongpok Ningthau Tata Dimper Honors Association gi Thomi Sing na Mateng Pang Bige Harakpadagi Lambi Semjin Bagi Thabasi Ngasidagi Hobani Nasalasi government ka karigumba makhal amata da mari lena jade adubu government na sembi drabasu tumina phamduna leithokpadi tawroi angamba kharadi adumak tawgani haba wakhalon da lambi semjin bagi thaba si tawjabani President Anantana Makhatana Manipur government su hiram kya sibu khangbiduna thobal yarik pok fawduna chatliba kasong khulen highway asi matam chana yingshin biu haina lengaki pukning chingshilakhi loinana highway sida chatpiriba vehicles loinana Masaga Chana Taba Mongda overload oina mal pubiganu amadi Nasalna Lambi Semjin Bahuraklibas Tamiyam Sumateng Pangpiu Haiki.
Gumba akhoi club singsina lambi thingakpa taragadi Manipur gi economic tanatana akhoi government ki tawriba chawkhat naba honariba construction development myam je loinamak fail oigani maram aduna akhoi government da jo khoina haijari athuba matamda hairiba lambi je miyeng changchalaga athuba matamda lambi je sembi naba akhoi government ki side ta khoina request tawjari aduga makhata na akhoina semiba lambi sida kana gomba miyoi singna mateng pangningba leiraga su akhoi gi nopok senga pun balukta lakpiraga Mateng pangbibada nongpok sang apun baluk ki maikai dagi hanana thagar ba phongdok sakani
Hozing lady balaiba ki irang amadi Manipuri pauchi sinalamda masiki miyamna kaya yamna lauraga panari bagi haibagi matangda Manipur Press Club Amju EZM amadi milal gi apun mifam ama phangkre mifam adada kumna khanaraba matungda warep khara longminaki warep sing aduki manungda nungthilda fongliba pauchi singna mitei me ki saru khara numit khudingi yahunba numit khudingi puthokliba Manipuri pauchi khudimak hena Chawkhat anaba hotna minabaga loinana hanadagi yauriba mitei me ki sarukasdagi tadana adumak yahun bahibasida yanaki loinana matamatamgi mathau taraklabadi phaminaduna mayek chawkhal hanaba khanaminaba haibasini ꯃꯤꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯥꯝꯖꯨꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯁꯦꯝꯕꯛꯇ, ꯑꯥꯝꯖꯨꯒꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯔꯥꯛꯄꯝ ꯅꯥꯎꯕ, ꯃꯤꯂꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯕꯝ ꯑꯔꯨꯟ, ꯑꯦ ꯔꯣꯕꯤꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯁꯔꯃ, ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ, ꯔꯟꯖꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ, ꯄꯥꯎꯅꯝ ꯂꯋꯥꯡꯒꯣ ꯃꯉꯥꯡ ꯀꯪꯂꯥꯄꯥꯎ, ꯒꯧꯇꯝ SS ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ, ꯏꯔꯦꯡꯕꯝ ꯑꯔꯨꯟ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯏꯖꯔ ꯑꯥꯝꯖꯨ, Sadokpam Tomba Mangang Advisor Milal, Maibam Indrajit Secretary Education Milal, Singamayum Chauba Secretary Publicity Milal na Chingbana Sarukyaki. Hausi Paugi Marthana Temba Bremtang Lominasi.
Matamgi nungsit nungsa amadi ayinga sana maram moiraga lok tungba amadi khubana singba tatana thohalli pumna maksibu khudakta phanba ngamlaba Cafidon cup syrup 100% herbal product ni lok khubada natana nakmahi chelaba amadi khangnaw mareng chatlaga lok kangkhu khuraba Cafidon cup syrup thakpiu Cafidon cup syrup
Dada
Ibe makigano Azabu thammo Sige yumse next Pm-Istv na checksin na laksilaga thamgrabani ne
Dada nang se juhar habaga amta kidarbo
Asumna mayamna na machalbo ngapshan lugum masige yumasibu asoyangan kokadabadagi next Pm-Istv na ngapseli next Pm-Istv juhar habadi ngaptokna na basembani German technology siya na concrete katokna tinaga matamda kapamul amuk hena hengaladli next Pm-Istv strength is in the way
Honglagliba punsigi lambi sida araiba chaba yaba makhai sasinari aduna hidak langthak kayama sadaba yarakte sasilliba singduna adomgi liver da kayam sokhalli khangbibra liver nabu soklaba chaning thakningba phawdaba puk nungaitaba khong hamba nungairaktaba amadi kuchu kumen senghallakti khuding maksibu ngakthokke hairabadi Jolip 100% natural syrup amadi capsule
Jolip 100% natural syrup and capsule
Admission open Capsule Medical Course for NEET UG 2026 Crash Engineering Course for GMains 2026. Class 11 Foundation, Council, CBSE, NEET, UG and GMains. Come and complete your dream.
Break matungda mayabam kana taram nokchari makataba pau pizari. Imung amada muka silky fi yauna nomada seasonary ba fi gi polam sing subagi kudong chaba piba Dr. Laundry Khabam da hangtokre. Khabam lamkhai dagi ibudo margin gi khubam dan chali balambi gi khabam lamkhai da nona sari ba sanathong manakta imung amada muka silky fi yauna nomada seasonary ba fi gi polam sing subagi kudong chaba piba Dr. Laundry gi store ma nong thombam hiainuna rivan kaktuna hangtokhi tharamadu da landamasi gi saknai rabi folk saisakpi benita laishram su sarkyaki Dr. Laundry hangtokpaduga mari lenana Dr. Laundry gi manager Hayam Kiran Maiteina yum amada angang leibadagi horaga nomagi fisu fisam tawba haibasi tangai fadraba ama oiribani thabak chilakpa amadi yumda subagi khudong chaba watpa phi makhal sing leitaba sunate Dr. Laundry asida laundry steam ironing dry cleaning khungup suba sofa suba loinena masigi mathakta muka silky phi makhal asi subada khudong chaba suhalaga basu sel yamna lauri basigasu ataba mamalda subagi khudong chaba piri Dr. Laundry asi fi sufam khak oina hangwasunate thabak phangdabagi leiriba awabasda su miyoi kharada oiraga su thabak piraga hingnabagi semitlon dasu mateng bangboina hangbani haiki
iramdam asida layuriba chinaw singje thabak phangro mayam leiri huji kitang dong ita jo khogi semitlon da kitang akoina kanaba piba ngangwani khan akhoi hangjabane blanket suba yare swadagi sofa khogi sofa ji suba yana de dana aduna khoi sofa suba yare nu blazer adugi kurta adagi khoi mukai goiba any mukai go suba loima yajare
Yausang numit humni da tensinaba apil tawbaga mari lainana ngasi Hairok Part 3 da leiba Ningol Club Temporary Office da paugi mifam ama pangthokre paugi mifam aduga mari lainana Ningol Club ki Secretary Moirang Them Inungan Bi Chanuna Yausang kumhai asina ka hena amang barom da chatkiduna inkhalakliba na hakyabu manghalli loinana bosem amadi kosena loba exam ayok nariba satra satri mahiroi singda hena wakhal charang na pohalaba duga mahi masing tambada su akaiba ohelaba amarom da lambi da thauri thatpa asina emergency lakpa ana ayek purakpa singda hena kudong thinaba maram ohelakpa sigumba kaya si punna wakhal taminaraga yausang kumhai asi numit humni da tension minasi yausang kumhai asida Miramgi chatnabi kya changshinduna abir tainaba ising hainaba thauri thatpa singa sidagi kana nathairaga mahausadagi leijaramba natki oiba mawongda yausang kumhai asi pangthowinasi loina lamdama si leiriba club Mairapai bi amadi CSO singna su mating pangbiu ngasigi paugi mifamadra Ningol Club ki Vice President Khundrakpam Puja amadi Finance Secretary Laishram Tarusu Sarugyaki hari
Mayasi
ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯍꯨꯝꯅꯤꯗ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯕꯦꯔ ꯇꯩꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯩꯅꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯤ ꯊꯠꯄꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯥꯊꯩꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ
Senapati District Hospital da laying balakpasingda ising pidabana anabasingna package water lejaraga siznahalle haina Youth Rise for Change ki maike diki phungturakli ISTV ga akhanana unabada Youth Rise for Change ki member RK Paul Chawangna su phungturakli RK Paul nam khataki bada Senapati District Headquarter da leiriba hospital asi leifam thokpa staff masing suna leite staff masing sudrabasu Senapati District ki manung hanjinba kul singdagi hospital as da laying balagnari laying balakliba anabasingi tangai fadana changadaba ising pidabana maram oiraga manung changba yauna isingi tangai fadaba lakpada masa masana package drinking water leiraga sizna halle district hospital da sigumba fibam da leirabanina atopa manung hanjinbada leiriba CAC PAC na chingbagi fibam di hainingai leitana fibam sokle hari
No water. The sick patients, even newborn babies, and the number of patients who come from far-flung villages under Senapati District to this only hub that is existing in the district are suffering 24/7 because there is no water. Even if the government tries to supply in 24/7, only 1 hour day supply. So it's a very shocking reality why the concerned authorities are deaf and dumb to these sufferings of the people. If the district hospital is in this condition, just think of the primary health center, sub-health center in far-flung villages. I don't know whether these doctors or nurses, they even go to the villages even once a year. That's a big question that is there.
Distress ki electric ki fibam gi matang da RK Paul na phungtokibada Karong Power Substation matik chana staff thamdabana changnaina mai mutle mai changnai dabana mahiroi sing da achoba chaiting pire chakhalakpagi matungi na thorakliba electronic ki problem sing kang khathang oire haiki
Senapati people need power supply 24/7 like any other cities in India. And Karong power supply needs to be upgraded. Through our investigation, we came to realize that for the last 30 years, batteries were not changed, panel sets were not upgraded, wires were not changed, electric poles were not changed. And with this capacity, which is existing for the last 30 years, how can the rapidly increasing population, how can the rapidly increasing households be given a sufficient power supply in spite of paying bill every month? This is the question. The concerned authority of government of Manipur, who is supposed to look into the power upgradation of every power station in Manipur, needs to address this issue.
Lambi thongi matang da RK Paul Chawang na makata na phungdokibada Senapati District fauduna chaliba Imphal Dimapur lambi ki tafau kuki khuldagi mau gate faubugi lambi sembada mau maril tadana semle National Highway sembada mau maril tadabagi mathakta intervillage road singdagi lambi amata afaba oidre lambi sembada contract loriba contractor na subcontractor da sinaba subcontractor na amuk atopa mioi da sinaba na maram oiraga koilas thaba hek loiba ka kaiba hore koilas amuk thakibana yamdrabada chahi manga chalhaninglabasu chahi fadringai da kaibana ayamba oire haiki
Why should the main contractor sell off his contract work to the subcontractor and then to the third contractor? This is the compromise of quality. When money gets distributed between different stages, how can you deliver a quality work to your projects? So I think this is great concern for our people. Village link road serves as a socio-economic purpose for the villages. Today, every village has to be linked with interlinked village roads. We cannot go to that muddy road and create a lot of difficulties for the villages. I think whichever project that is our concern with Youth Drive for Change are raising, I think government of Manipur, the concerned authorities like the Deputy Commissioner has to take into account this.
Universal Friendship Organization na sponsor tawduna Maitei Huyen Langlon Sentam Sanglen Sajal Academy Salam Brands ki kungamatoi suba Rising Day ki thoram ngasi achamba thoram amagaloina na Salam amang lekai da leba Sanglen na pangthokre thoram da awang khunau GP ki pradan thodam dizamani advocate Kanta na chingba mioi singna maroi pa mioi singna sar kya ki bagaloina na Manipur ki tungan mafam sing yauna Manipur gi wang madagi lakpa UFO members singna sar kya ki thoram da pradan thodam dizamani na ibudo pakhang ba yekpa malem ki firal chingkat ki bagaloina na sar kya ki pasingna malem ki firal ki mafam dai kai khunabo utki amadi UFO gi luching purel RK Manisna gi mafam dasu haikal lekat tamki National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment NPCV and VI District Social Welfare Office Tamenglong District Administration and District Health Society Tamenglong ga punna khusamladana sinduna nimit humni senior citizen singtagi oiba ICAM ama oinamlong PAC Tausem PAC amadi Tamai PAC da pangthokpada senior citizen nifuga mathoi cataract surgery tawnabagi tamak khangatkre surgical camp adu medical superintendent Dr. Francis Daimai meeting makada pangthokadabani. Local surgical team adu Dr. R. Rangla, District Nodal Officer DNO Pm-Istv na luchingbaga loinana Jenims Imphal gi Professor Dr. Anthony Kamsom amadi Professor Dr. Jennifer Nane na luchingba expert team na mating pangani. Miyoi nifuga matoi adugi manungda kunchaka mathoina cataract nipana atopa cataract complicated aduga ani mana hepatitis positive kaloinaba cataract ni hari.
19 lagi February dige hauna all block levels Tamilnadu Makada koigi tausiam very difficult to reach area adu digi Tamai Oinamlong block home sidigi akoina senior citizen mayam se DNO Dr. Rangla gi Makada screening tawraga patient se 50 muk collect tawraga ngasi cataract surgery gi plan se akoina district hospital Tamilnadu da organize tawjabani.
Thasigi tangkun ngahumdoi da thokiba wathok Khurai Hekrumokhong Junior High School asi apunbagi oina punna school ahom Khurai Khumido Gandhi Memorial Primary School Khurai Khumido Hekrumokhong Primary School amadi Khurai Hekrumokhong Junior High School hariba school ahom ki apunbagi oina Khurai Hekrumokhong Junior High School da nupigi nauna toilet sanana ba tawraba matungna mafam asida sabi yaroi amadi atamnana furup amagi miyoibo mahi tamba yaroi habsi maitai pangal Council Manipur na laibak thibani haina phungdorakli haiki wafam singa siga school ki convener ODB Salimbu myoi kharana inba cheiba tawkiba thawungbu akan mamong da condemn tawi haina lup asigi president Haji Arafat Ali na phungdorakli.
School asida mahiroi khudimaku ikai khumnasi tawdok aduda hakthemna chenariba amaga hatred oiba mamong da sagaliba myoi maru oina sohanta amadi thabalsana Hojik makoi anisi matam sana marili nabo authority na fadna logi serak phanganbiu nakan anigi kangluk naiba thong thausil amata tawbiganu loinana karigma afapata pattaba tolopata madugi daita miyoi khra aduna pugadamni.
Mars ke ani fawa chathagadaba St. George High School Wangkai ki annual sports ngasidagi hokre sportsmen hawdopaki thoramda thongju kendra ki MLA TS Vishwajit RIMS ki Department of Plastic Surgery ki HOD Professor Akwajam Ibohal CMC Hospital and College of Nursing Kweringai ki Director Reverend FR James Tangsel St. George High School Imphal ki Principal Sister Bindan Jingbana Sarkyaki Tharomadada TS Vishwajit na phongdokibana Khunai amada masamo faba lairik haiba mioi ngakta leirabadi maning tamna leiba khunai haibadu oigani school singda chahi ki sports pangthokpana masamo faba mahiroi ohinbada mating oigani haiki.
Institution maybe college, maybe school, or maybe university. So that Laaga larik tamba mayam singse ekoi student high gawi have se pisana loi khunai lagani but we need to recall it again and again because your human memory is very short. We used to forget all those important basic things in our life. Like ekoi se every memory system na people in ekoi se all of the leba pura mutin se kaur chapasina the society na toba aswalba amma wariya si mai koi kasi ai hai se aduga education aidna karino is the process of the learning.
Hazul islakpada maroiba paw kana pisari. Steel and Heavy Industries ke MOS Bubati Raju Srinivasa Barmanone da thungkrai khwaidagi wangba railway ki thonggi phibam su yingsinkrai. India ki hanba automated seaport oiriba Thiruvananthapuram da leiba Vizenjam International Seaport na India ki transshipment tawda atopa leiba ki port ki mating loba hantanba ngamnagani hari. Amadi Manipur lenga ki education as a sindra nimini chukna pangthokadaba state level National Science Day 2026 ngasi City Convention Center da hudokrai. Hosu fauge na dia sinna sandok chari pa pawng matang swai da tensin jari meeting tabiri ba pumna ma po am khana khurung jari.